hold short 9-1, JetBlue 25.
16 on the 7, contact departure 3347, good night. 16 on the 7, departure 3347.
3347, United 16.
Delta 3189, turn left, hold short, 1 left Sierra.
Turn 11, hold short 9 left on Sierra, Delta 3189.
Delta 2469, traffic will go in position. Sierra, crossing on the left, Mike, ground point 75.
Alright, cross 9 left of Sierra, to ground southwest 2469. JetBlue 2513, we're ready.
JetBlue 2513, 1 left, Mike 2, line of way, contact German departed heavy Airbus, traffic downfield.
9 left, Mike 2, line way, JetBlue 2513.
Delta 3189 at Sierra, cross from 19 left, John Mike, header ground point 75, traffic hold.
On Sierra, cross runway 9 left, join Mike, ground point 75, good day, Delta 3189.
Day.
Good land, Delta 5.
Atlanta traffic, routes 88 on final approach for 27 left.
94 heavy, contact departure 13347.
Turn left on Charlie or Delta, altitude and ramp. Have a good one.
Alright, we'll take it, Charlie, so good day, here, also 9.
Sierra.
Hold short, runway 9 left Sierra, Delta 968.
Atlanta Tower, touch 3 at Romeo 10.
JetBlue 2513, Arnav to Lightus, runway 9 left at Mike 2, clear for takeoff.
Arnav to Lightus, 9 left, Mike 2, clear for takeoff, JetBlue 2513.
Doug 3 at Atlanta Tower.
Yes, I have a 37 for ramp 2.
Doug 3, hold short of runway 9er right, you coming out of the south side there, so let's say at Romeo 11.
Alright, we'll hold short of 9 right at Romeo 11, touch 3.
8 left. Line up away. And traffic will be downfield. Doug 3 at Romeo 11, cross runway 9 right, turn left November, short of runway 9 left here.
3.
Delta 968, traffic is in position at Sierra, cross runway 9 left, Mike ground point 75.
Cross runway 9 left at Sierra, join Mike over to ground, Delta 968.
Endeavor 5115, cross 8 right, join Fox, kind of ground, traffic hold.
Cross 8 right, join Fox, stay in contact, ground, air 5115.
Endeavor 2804, 8 right, line up and wait, traffic cross.
Hey, right, line up, wait, Delta 2504.
Hotel to Alaska 64 is visual inbound.
Alaska 334, tower 8 left, red line.
Touch line east at Alaska 334.
Delta 2804 on out to Herschel, runway A right, clear for takeoff.
Alright, Delta 2248.
Delta 535, hold short 8 right at Delta.
Hold short 8 right at Delta, Delta 535.
Fairwing 1531.
Line up and wait, 9 left, Mike 2, Sterling, 82.
Traffic downfield.
Roger.
Cross, runway 9 left, Mike, ground point 75.
Point 75, touch 3.
Delta 945 burning. South 945 Atlanta Tower, little land, runway 9 right, wind at 10017.
Me 248, RNAV to Ronnie, runway 8 right, swift takeoff.
RNAV, Ronnie, 8 right, swift takeoff, Delta 2248. What's 52 show?
Delta 2152, tower 8 left, clear 2 land.
Clear to land 8 left, Delta 2152.
Spark 3347, good night, y'all.
Delta 1979, currently on final runway 26.
325.
Hey, good evening, Delta 2149, outside, Burke.
South 1249 Atlanta Tower, number 2, clear land, runway 9 right, wind 0906.
Clear to line, number 2, 9 right for Delta 2149.
8 right at Delta. 1326.
Delta 2804, contact the park. I see it, Delta 2804. Delta 535, the Delta cross 8 right, join Fox, county ground 19.
And Delta cross 8 right, Fox to ground, Delta 535, good night.
Delta 3026, Delta cross 8 right, join Fox, county ground 19.
Alright, at Delta, we'll cross 8 right, Fox on the other side, 0.9, Delta 3026. Have a good night.
Sky 3640, tower 8 left, little land. 34, turn right on Bravo, hold short of 8 right at Delta.
Right on Bravo, hold short 8 right on Delta, Alaska 334.
Range 1851, contact departure on 13347 in the turn.
Alright, 34-7,
3347, good night.
33-47.
Delta 2248. Yeah, you can call us there.
United 1046, RNAV Ronnie 8 right, supposed to take off.
Delta 945, turn left at Sierra, cross 9 left, Mike ground 0.75.
Alright, left here at Sierra, cross 9 left, join Mike and 0.75, Delta 945, good night.
Delta 2814, Shell 8 left. Delta 2814, Atlanta, runway 8 left, little land. Little land 8 left, I can stay from like Delta 2814. Delta 2152, right on Bravo, hold short, runway 8 right at Delta.
Right on Bravo, short of 8 right at Delta, Delta 2152.
Cross 9 left, Mike ground 0.75, catapult.
Cleared across 9 left at Sierra, Southwest 2149, ground on the other side.
Have a good one, Delta 2803, Atlanta Tower, traffic downfield, going 9 left to Mike 2, line up away.
Line up away, 9 left, Delta 2803.
52 at Delta, cross 8 right, final Fox, county ground 19.
Alright, cross 8 right at Delta, right turn on Fox, ground 0.9, Delta 2152, see ya.
Got a 796, tower 8 left. Little land.
Land traffic over 6. 26 right, 16.
1046, contact park. Contact departure, United 1046.
2803, RNAV to grid, going on left flank 2, clear for takeoff.
Delta 2803.
Delta 105 Heavy, Atlanta Tower, rolling out left flank 2, line up weight, traffic downfield.
Left Mike 2, line up and wait, Delta 105 Heavy.
South 1754, line tower, caution, turbines arrived, heavy Airbus, going on right, clear to land, wind, 080 at Pike. Clear to land on right, Southwest 1754. Delta 26 Heavy, hold short, rolling on left at Kilo.
Hold short on 9 left at Kilo, Delta 26 Heavy.
Scout 3640, that cog coming down Echo is going to give into the building here, that TOC, so just give lane to them.
40.
72814, Toronto Bravo, taxi Vic Village.